Once upon a tree, squirrel has big dream. Own luxury nut condo and tallest oak. But squirrel has small problem, only 2 acorns. So squirrel goes to big forest bank. Bank is like giant hollow tree where squirrels put their acorns for safekeeping. But not just for keeping safe. Bank says, give us your acorns, we give you more acorns later. Squirrel confused. How bank get more acorns? Acorns don't grow in tree. Ah, but here's forest secret. Bank lends squirrels acorns to other squirrels who need acorns now, maybe to build nut shop or buy mini mushroom car. These squirrels promise to bring back more acorns later because they pay back loan plus extra acorns called interest. So when they return acorns, bank keeps small bite and gives squirrel a little bonus too. That's how your buried acorns grow while you nap. But wait, what if all squirrels come back and ask for all their acorns right now? Bank says, eek, because it already lent most of them to mushroom car squirrel. This is called a bank run. Squirrels panic. Forest chaos. Acorns flying. Squirrels crying. That's why squirrel government says, no fear. We insure your acorns up to 1,000 nut value. So even if bank goes kaboom, squirrels get their stash back. Bank also helps in other ways. Stores acorns in neat piles, aka accounts. Gives squirrel shiny plastic leaf to buy stuff. Credit. Helps send acorns to other squirrels far away. Transfers. Offers loans for big dreams like starting Squirrel Flicks. But remember, bank, not forest charity. Bank is business. It uses your acorns to make more acorns, mostly for itself. So smart squirrels check where they bury their stash. They compare banks. Look for ones with good interest, no sneaky fees, and nice branch service, pun intended. In the end, banks are like hollow trees with big promise. You give them acorns, they make your acorns grow. Unless winter comes early, then you better have backup stash. Now, squirrel-wise, squirrel saves, squirrel subscribe.